Hello my dear students, hope all of you are fine. So let's start our chapter. Today is chapter 3 from second term syllabus, and the name of this chapter Animals and Birds. So in this chapter we are going to learn about different types of animals, different types of birds, insects, then where animals live, what animals and plants eat. Look at this picture, identify the animals and complete their names. This one dog, this one crow, this one horse. So these two are animals and this one bird. Now types of animals. Animals are two types. Number 1 wild animals and number 2 domestic animals. Wild animals are the animals that lives in jungle and domestic animals are the animals that live with us in our home. Now look at this picture. It's lion, then it's rhinoceros, deer, bear. All of these animals are wild animals because they lives in jungle. That means the animals that lives in jungles are called wild animals. For example, tiger, lion, elephant, rhinoceros, deer, bear, etc. Then domestic animals. Some animals are kept in farms or at our homes. They are called domestic animals. Now there are also some animals that are kept in farm or at our homes. They are called domestic animals like cow, dog, sheep, cat, then horse, etc. Domestic animals help us in many ways. Hen gives us eggs. We all eat eggs. Cow gives us milk. We drink milk. Sheep gives us wool. We wear woolen clothes in the time of winter season. Now where do animals live? The place where animal live is called its habitat. That means the place where animal lives, it's called habitat. It's called its habitat. Animals live both on land and in water. Now land animal, that means land animal means animals that live on land. Example, elephant, tiger, giraffe, cow, dog, lion, etc. So many animals. There are so many animals that live on land. That means the animals that live on land are called land animals. Next one, water animal. The animals that live in water are called water animal. For example, whale, octopus, shark, dolphin, fish, etc. These animals lives in water only. They are called water animals. Now there are some special animals that lives on land and in water also. They can live both in water and on land. Example, crocodile, frogs, tortoise, turtle, etc. This type of animals, look at this picture, this one crocodile, this one frog. So this type of animals can live both on land and in water. Now birds. We see many birds around us, and you all know birds have wings, and with the help of the wings birds can fly. Now most of the birds have a beak, 2 wings, feather and 2 legs also. Along with wings, birds have feather, 2 legs and beaks also. Now there are 2 birds, that ostrich and penguin. Ostrich and penguin are 2 birds that cannot fly. They have wings but they cannot fly. Another birds, crow, pigeon, sparrow, peacock, hen, woodpecker and parrots are some examples of birds. Most birds make nests to lay eggs in them. You all know birds make nests. Now, do you know some birds can swim also? Yes, birds can swim also. Example, ducks, geese, pelicans are the birds that can swim. Now, what do plants and animals eat? Animals such as giraffe, rabbit and deer eat grass and plants. This type of animals are called herbivores. That means the animals that eat grass and plants are called herbivores. Example, giraffe, rabbit, deer, sheep, goat, cow, etc. Now another one, animals like lion, tiger and crocodile eat other animals, and this type of animals are called carnivores. That means the animals that eat other animals, they are called carnivores. Example, lion, tiger, crocodile, snake, wolf, cheetah, etc. Now there are some animals that can eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. Example, dog, bear, pig, squirrels, and birds like crows, woodpeckers. They can eat both plants and animals. So here we find three types of animals. One is herbivore, another one is carnivore, and another one is omnivore. That means the animals that eat grass and plants, they are called herbivores. The animals that eat other animals, they are called carnivore, and the animals that can eat both plants and animals, they are called omnivores. Now some birds eat worms. Now what is worms? Worms is a small animal with a long thin body and no eyes, bones or legs. That means worms has no eyes, bones or legs, and it is a thin body. Okay, it is a small animal and it is a long thin body and has no eyes, bones and legs. Example, earthworms and fernworms. So bird eats worms. Another one is now insects. Insects are small in size and most of them have legs and wings also. Like birds, insects has also legs and wings, but insects are small in size. Okay, insects are small in size. It's a main basic difference between birds and insects. Insects are small in size. Butterfly, ant, housefly, cockroach, mosquito, grasshopper are some insects. Look at this picture, you can see this one ant, this one cockroach, this one grasshopper. So these are also insects. We should treat all animals with love and care. Remember these things. You should always treat with birds and animals with love and care. Now picture study. Look at this animal. Name the animal. This one, giraffe. Where does it live? It lives in jungle. Giraffe lives in jungle. Say whether it's true or false. Number 1, dogs can fly. Is it true? No, it's not true. Dog is an animal and dogs cannot fly. This one false. Another one, ducks can swim. This one true? Yes, it's true. We have already learned in this chapter that ducks, geese, pelicans, these type of birds can swim. So this one true. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.